If you could have seen the depression, the fear, the self-loathing, lack of energy, I was just making it through each day and doing exactly what I had to. And now I want to get up. Every day is a gift, and I'm grasping it rather than dreading it. I love red juice because for 45 years I was a tired person all the time. I love red juice because I have that natural energy. It resonates. I've had a ton of people ask me which makeup product I've switched to, and I actually half the time don't wear makeup. Everybody in this company, from Drew on down, wants to see you happy. It's not just a product, it's a whole company. You can call this customer service team and I guarantee you, 100% guarantee you will fall in love with whoever answers the phone. I can't think of any other company right now that I could say that about.